To apply for an Old National Bank USA credit card, here are the simple steps you can follow. 1. Explore credit card options. Visit the Old National Bank website and go to the Personal section, then Credit Cards. Review the different credit card options they offer, e.g., Everyday Rewards Plus, Smart Rewards, Prime Rate. Take note of the rewards, interest rates, fees, and benefits of each card to choose the one that best suits your needs. 2. Check eligibility and gather information. While specific eligibility criteria aren't always detailed upfront, generally you'll need to be a US resident, have a valid social security number, and meet their creditworthiness requirements. Prepare the following information before starting your application. Personal information, full name, address, including up to 2 years of history, date of birth, social security number. Contact information, phone number and email address. Employment and income information, employer name, income details. 3. Choose your application method. Old National Bank offers 2 main ways to apply. Apply online. Go back to the credit card section of their website. Select the specific credit card you want to apply for. Click on the Apply Now button next to your chosen card. You will be directed to an online application form. Fill it out completely and accurately. Review the information and the terms and conditions before submitting. Submit your application electronically. Apply in person. Locate an Old National Bank branch near you using their website's Locations tool. Visit the branch during business hours. Speak with the bank representative and let them know you'd like to apply for a credit card. They will guide you through the application process and provide you with the necessary forms. 4. Wait for a decision. Once you've submitted your application, Old National Bank will review it. The processing time can vary. You may receive a decision relatively quickly online, or it might take a few business days or weeks. They will typically notify you of their decision by mail or email. Important considerations. Credit score. Your credit score is a significant factor in whether your application is approved and the terms you receive. Ensure you have a good credit history for the best chances. Read the terms and conditions, carefully review the interest rates, fees, and other terms associated with the credit card before applying. Contact customer service. If you have any questions during the application process, you can contact Old National Bank's client care at 1-800-731-2265. By following these simple steps, you can apply for an Old National Bank USA credit card. Remember to choose the card that aligns with your financial habits and needs.